Alright, we're up to the simultaneous equations part of the practice test, and I'm going to combine these 2 pages just so it's the simultaneous equations section of our revision. So we've been told that y is equal to 3x, and 2x take y equals negative 6. Well, if y is equal to 3x, then instead of y, I could also write 3x. So I'm going to put that into my other equation. 2x take. Then we've got 3x. Again, remember, instead of y, I write 3x is equal to negative 6. Now, I'm going to combine my like terms together. 2x take 3x gets me negative 1x, which equals negative 6. And then I'm just going to be dividing both sides now by negative 1 to get to my answer, which is going to be that x is equal to 6. Now, once I know that x is equal to 6, I put it back into either one of these equations. Again, pick the equation that's best for you, whatever one's going to be easiest. So let's just go the first one. Y equals 3x. Well, if x is equal to 6, well then y equals 3 times 6, which equals 18. Therefore, x equals 6, y equals 18. And there are 2 solutions for that one. Now, for the next question, we've been told what x is equal to this time. We haven't been told what y is equal to. So we're going to use that and say that x equals 1 take y. So instead of x equals 1 take y, instead of x, I'm going to write 1 take y. I put it into my problem. So 3 equals y plus 2. Then we've got 1 take y instead. I'm going to be expanding my brackets again. If I have a number in front of brackets, I have to expand. So this takes me to 3 equals y. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times negative y, negative 2y. I can combine these 2 like terms together. Always combine like terms together if you can before you start moving and simplifying anything else. So this gives me that 3 equals y take 2y is negative y plus 2. Now I'm going to take 2 from both sides. So 1 equals negative y. And then if 1 equals negative y, negative 1 equals y, because I'm just dividing both sides by negative 1. And then I put this back into either one of my equations. I'll probably pick the first one because that's going to be the easiest. X equals 1 take y. Well, if y is equal to negative 1, well then x equals 1 take negative 1, and that double negative there will turn into a plus. So if that's now a plus, 1 plus 1, x equals 2. Therefore, x equals 2, y equals negative 1. And those are those 2 solutions. Simultaneous equations. Elimination this time. Now, when we're trying to eliminate things, the whole point of elimination is trying to make one of our variables the same so I can just essentially cancel it out. So I'm going to try and make my y's the same for this first one because I can see that's going to be easiest. I need to times this first equation by 2. And if I times the first equation by 2, the entire thing by 2, 5x times 2 gets me to 10x. Y times 2 equals 2y, and that's equal to 24. The second equation, that just stays the same. I don't want to change that one. Now, if I want to get rid of these 2 y's, I want to take them away from each other. Because they're the same sign, because they're both positive, I need to take them away from each other to cancel it out. So 10x take 3x, that gets me to 7x. They cancel out, 7x equals 21. So then I just divide both sides by 7, so that x equals 3. Again, once I find one solution, I put it into there, and that's how I figure out my other solution. So 5, x is equal to 3, so it's 5 times 3 plus y equals 12. 5 times 3 is 15. So y equals negative 3, because I take 15 from both sides there. And now I've just figured out the two solutions to my problems. I've got that x is equal to 3 and y equals negative 3.